Okay, so this test 8.1 F, okay, exercise 8.1 on your textbook, page 189. Start with the A1, okay, A1, question number A1. Let me read the question. If cos A is equal to 12 by 5, then the value of sine A plus cos A into cosec A is what? So it's a multiple choice question. So here we need a triangle, so let us draw one. Let us suppose right triangle, right angled at this point, let us say. And since the angle involved there is A, cot A, capital A, we have to put that A either here at the acute angle point or here the other acute angle point. We can put it here. The rest of the letters can be whatever we like. Okay, so let us say here in right triangle ABC, let us introduce this triangle. The 90-degree point is B, angle B, okay, 90 degree. Then here we're going to take this angle A here as A. So given to us here, the value given is cot A is equal to 12 divided by 5. Now here the two arms of the angle A here, this AR, AB and SC. So the one which is not the arm, which is BC, is the opposite side. This is the adjacent. And the two arms of 90 degree are BC, BA. So the one which is not the arm of this right triangle, or 90 degree here, SC is the hypotenuse. So we know cot is adjacent by opposite. So here A adjacent, AB by opposite here O, which is BC. So that will be equal to 12 by 5, right? So we can now assume that the numerator AB corresponding to 12 be 12 and BC denominator corresponding to the denominator 5 be 5 units. So here AB is 12, BC is here 5. So now in the right triangle, if two sides are known to us here, AB 12 and BC 5, then the unknown side here, hypotenuse, the third side can be found out by using Pythagoras theorem. So the unknown side is the hypotenuse, so the equation will be AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or we can also write BC square plus AB square. Doesn't make any difference, right? So here that will imply SC, if we were to remove the square on the left side on SC, then root will come on the right hand side. So AB is here 12, so 12 square. BC square therefore will be 5 square, so root over 12 12s are 144 plus 5 5s are 25. So that will give us equal to root over 144 plus 25 is 169, and 13 into 13 is 169. When we multiply, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. So it's exactly coming out as 169. So 13 into 13 can come out of the root as 13. So we know all the three sides now. SC 13, BC 5, and AB 12. We can answer our question, therefore we can write here, therefore the value of sine A plus cos A into cosec A. This is the expression whose value we need to determine or find out. Now sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite, as you can see, O, BC by hypotenuse, as you can see, is SC plus cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent here AB by hypotenuse SC. The cosec A is hypotenuse by opposite this cosec. So hypotenuse here SC by here opposite, as you can see, is BC. So we write these things carefully and correctly, and then the next step is just to put the right value. So BC here, as you can see, is 5 by SC is, as you can see, 13. AB is 12 and SC, as we can see here, is 13. Then SC is 13 by BC is, as you can see here, BC is 5. So let us solve this. Then inside this bracket, denominator 13 and 13 LCM is 13, we know that, right? So denominator 13 ones are, okay, 13 into 1 is 13, 1 5s are 5 plus 13 ones are 13 likewise, 1 into 12 is 12, and so 13 by 5. This need not be written, okay? We are just showing it for explanation. So they'll give you 5 plus 12 is simply 17 by 13 into 13 by 5. So denominator 13 and numerator will cancel, leaving you with 17 by 5. So our answer choice that match this 17 by 5 is in 3. That is textbook answer. 3 is the right answer. 17 by 5. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Next. Sorry. A2. Let's go to the A2. Here, if sine theta is x and sec theta is y, so given is here sine theta, okay, sine theta is x and sec theta is y. So let us write here, given sine theta is x, let's put this as equation 1, and sec theta is y. So we need to find out cot, so let us manipulate this one here. This value here. Now, one formula for cot theta is cos theta, okay. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta we already have as x. So if we can convert this sec to cos, then we can replace it here to easily find the value of cot theta. So let us do that. And we know we can convert this sec theta. Reciprocal of sec is cos. So 1 by cos theta formula is sec. Okay, so here at this point you can write on your notes some formulas that I'm going to give you. The reciprocal formulas. Sin theta reciprocal is cosec, so 1 by cosec theta. Keep these formulas in your mind. Cos theta reciprocal is sec, so 1 by sec theta. And third one, tan theta reciprocal is cot, so 1 by cot theta. Likewise, this cot theta reciprocal is tan, so 1 by tan theta. And then fifth one, reciprocal of cos is sec, so sec theta here is 1 by cos theta. And finally the sixth one, here reciprocal of sine is cosec, so cosec theta will be 1 by sine theta. One more formula, two more in fact, tan theta, one formula very common, sine theta by cos theta. And keep these formulas in your memory. And cot theta, therefore we can write it as number 8, cot Theta therefore will be reciprocal of 10, so cos theta can go up and this sin theta can come down. These 7, 8 formulas, write it down and keep it in your memory. Okay, so we're here using sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, this formula here, which is equal to y. So if you shift this, cross multiply cos theta into y, here y by 1, so cos theta into y is y into cos theta. 1 ones are 1 on the right side, so cross multiplying we get that. So these two multiplied up and down, and 1 into 1, 1. So that way cos theta keep it alone and 1 is here. If we shift this y, it will come down to the denominator, so let us keep this one as equation 2. So now very easy, we can use this formula number 8. So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. We're using this formula. So cos, as you can see here, long line first, 1 by y. You can write your sins using equations 2 and here 2 for 1 by y replacement. Okay, 1 by y replacement, 1 divided by y, and then sine here by x, and so equation 1. From 2 we get 1 by y, 1 sin theta replaced by x. So x means we know x by 1, so here 1 by y, just write it down. This long line means divided by. So when we change to multiplication sign, denominator 1 will go up, numerator x will come down. So this will be 1 ones are 1. Y into x, we can write it as yx or xy. So our value is 1 by xy as cot theta value. This answer is matching answer number 3. I think textbook you look there. Yes, 1 by xy. 1 by xy. Okay, so here A3, let us go to A3. A3, see, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB5 and sin theta is 1 by 2. So there is a right triangle. Right triangle means one angle 90 degree. Right angle that B, so this would be B. So CB12, C, sin C. So let us put this C here or here also. Okay, fine, up to you. This will be A. So let's just write the language of the text. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC, comma, right angled at the point B, AB is 5 centimeter, and then sin C. So write your sin C is equal to 1 by 2. So let us put this one here. Equation 1, let us say this one equation 2. So from or using equation number 2, let us say sin C, if you take 1 by 2. So the angle here is C, arms of this angle C are CB and CS, so opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent, right? So here sine will be opposite by hypotenuse, so opposite here AB by hypotenuse here AC, which is equal to half. So we can assume let numerator AB equal to, let's put 1x. In the previous sums we are not putting the x because we didn't need it, but we can put it in those also. But here let us just put it, and then denominator here SC equal to twice x, 2x, 1x. So AB is 1x and SC is twice x. Question is saying length of SC, so we have to find SC. So this length we have to find. So for that, let us write here. Here AB is 5 centimeter. Now AB is given as 5 centimeter. Look at your text. Here, see AB. So we write here. Therefore, AB equal to 1x means this AB is nothing but 5 centimeter and equal to 1x, since using equation number 1. See here, AB equal to 5 is replaced by AB by 5 centimeter. So that will give you 1x means x, so x is equal to 5 centimeter. So let's just put this one as equation number 3. Then here put SC we know here, just here C is equal to 2x. Write here 2x. So 2 into x, just now we found out 5 centimeter. And then write here since using equation number 3. So 2 5s are 10 centimeters. So the answer choice to match this one is the 1. So 1 10 centimeter. Okay. Then B4, the last question for this test. So here B4, given figure AD like that. So there is a given figure on the text which look like this. Right angle here, I think. Yes, and then here another right angle, right triangle. D is the right angle point, A here, and then B and C here marked as theta. Then A4. So in the given figure, so in the given figure means this figure, okay, comma, AD equal to 4 centimeter. So this AD is 4 centimeter. Then BD is equal to 3 centimeter. So BD is equal to 3 centimeter. And then finally CB equal to 12 centimeter. CB equal to 12 centimeter. This one CB equal to 12 centimeter. Then you have to find cot theta value equal to how much? Question mark. So let us take this right triangle here, this one. So in right triangle ABD, this one here. So we know two sides here, BD 3 centimeter and AD. Two sides known means that easily the third side is now the hypotenuse. The right angle arms are this DB and DA. So this is hypotenuse of triangle ABD. So AB square will be Pythagoras theorem equal to the other two sides square, AD square plus BD square, since using Pythagoras theorem. So that implies if you were to remove this square on the left side, then root will come on the right side. AD here, as you can see, 4 centimeters of 4 square plus BD here, you can see here 3, so 3 square, so that is root over 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9, root over 16 plus 9 is 25, 5 5s are 25, so single 5 will come out of the root. So 5 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter. So this is now found out, which is also the side of the other triangle. So we can write here okay, that's fine. Therefore cot theta, the value they are asking, cot theta, this one, theta here, the two arms are CB and CA. So the AB, which is not the arm, is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. So cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So adjacent here is CB, by opposite is AB. So that will be equal to CB here, value you see here, 12 centimeter, divided by AB, just now we found out here, 5 centimeter. These two cancel, so we can write our answer as 12 by 5. Cannot cancel anymore, right? The answer choice that match this is number 4. So the answer is 4, which is 12 by 5. I hope you're getting right. So that's the last question of this test part.